Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih balak menrumbui la pentip bak sorgar pedang dangchen kelapelaj ia kasong tengka ba ars pak nyupu ar kelur tengka ban siudap ia ketulap basak jong kini kai SSA. Habakran berkilat petai kubor ba rumbui ulaang ba ansapa ia kini kepisah kani katayau bat mar yayo ia kepisah ke sorgar jela kan salak ban siu baru ketulap ki basak teng.
The government of India has sanctioned the amount of about 272 crore to the state government for 10 days back. But I hope that the money, the fund will be transferred this week itself. Then only we will able.
Habaraki ya ka azadi ka amrit mahotsaf bat hapok ka jingpi